So it's still really too early to speak to any traders, as it is. They come in and want to mind their business this early, so I haven't really spoken to anyone so far. But here's what we know so far about the market. The index is ticking up again, marginally up some 0.03% a few minutes ago when we last checked, and the index has moved from 33,100 and something to 201.34 basis points as we speak. There's been some 167 deals so far in the market for some volume of transaction and 21 million units of shares currently valued at some 68.34 million naira. We've got interest in the names like Diamond Bank, Fidelity, Nemi Insurance, generally the financial services sector. If you look at the top trades of the market right now, it's FCMB that is dominating that sector again, but the share price keeps going lower. And in terms of Transcorp suddenly found its pace again on the top trades, the activity charts basically, and it's currently enjoying some sentiment from investors as we speak in the market. But then this morning, we woke up to the release of ETI's earnings for the period ended September the 30th, 2018. ETI is Equatorial Trust Incorporated. Equatorial Transnational Incorporated, I beg your pardon. Gross earnings came up by some 1%, and it is put together in dollar and naira terms. In dollar terms, the gross earnings stands at $1.8 billion US, while in naira terms, it's coming in at 572 billion naira. Both metrics, similar metrics, are up by some 1%. You got the revenue up by 1% as well. The operating profit before impairment is also up in dollar terms by 2% and in naira terms by 3%. Profit before tax is up to $314 million. Naira equivalent, 96 billion naira. That is up by some 37%. And according to the quotes following this performance released this morning, or earnings released this morning by the CEO, the chief executive, Mr. Adeyemi, he is attributing that to the implementation of the 5-year strategy, the first phase of the 5-year strategy, which is now beginning to yield some sort of results in the system. And of course, that's why the profit after tax for the company is $247 million, and in naira terms is coming in at 75.7 billion naira. That represents, in naira terms, 31% rise, but in dollar terms, it's 30% increase. That's the development we have right now in the market. Share price of the banking names are expected to continue to moderate. We should see some entry and a bit of some exit for those that have invested way before now. But for those that are just trying to make entry on the basis of those impressive earnings, Q3 earnings that we're seeing from a lot of the companies, it is for ahead of the Q4 numbers that will be released, which is also expected to be relatively positive as going forward. Chimeze.
All right, thank you for those updates, Temple. Just hang in there. I'll get back to you later in the day. Thank you.